Welcome to Mighty Machinery. Today we're showcasing the world's toughest machines in action, from earth-shattering dozers to precision harvesters. Watch as these beasts dominate every challenge. Let's get started. Number 1. The Cat D. 11 Dozer is a heavy-duty bulldozer designed for large-scale earth moving. Known for its power, it is commonly used in mining and construction projects to push large quantities of materials like rock, dirt, and sand. Its strong, durable frame makes it ideal for tough terrains. The machine features advanced control systems, enhancing precision and operator comfort. With its high productivity and safety features, the Cat D11 is a go-to choice for large excavation tasks. Number 2. The Woodcracker C550 by Westech is a hydraulic forestry machine used for cutting and processing trees. It can handle large trees and branches efficiently, making it perfect for timber harvesting and land clearing. Its quick attach system allows it to be mounted on excavators and other machinery, providing flexibility in different forestry tasks. The C550 reduces manual labor and increases efficiency in wood processing operations, ensuring a safe and effective workflow in forest management. Number 3. The Lagoon Crawler is designed for working in soft or waterlogged areas like lagoons or ponds. Its lightweight construction and wide tracks allow it to move over soft terrain without sinking. Often used in environmental cleanup, dredging, and waterway maintenance, the Lagoon Crawler is essential for jobs where regular heavy equipment would struggle. Its ability to work in difficult conditions makes it a valuable tool for wetland management and other aquatic operations. Number 4. The Forage Pronto 7DC is a high-performance seed drill used in agriculture for sowing crops. It offers excellent precision and versatility with the ability to handle a wide range of soil types and seed sizes. The machine features a large hopper and precise depth control, ensuring efficient seed placement. Farmers rely on the Pronto 7DC for its reliability and speed, allowing for quick and effective planting over large areas, contributing to improved crop yields. Number 5. The Simon S3 CMR is a compact yet powerful root crop harvester, primarily used for crops like carrots and potatoes. It features advanced digging technology that gently lifts crops from the ground while minimizing damage. The machine's size makes it ideal for smaller fields or more precise operations, while its efficient design increases productivity. With automated controls, it offers both speed and care in the harvesting process, helping farmers optimize their root crop yield. Number 6. The Cass 87. Rock Slinger is a specialized machine designed to distribute gravel, soil, or other materials over large areas quickly. It is equipped with a conveyor system that allows materials to be slung with precision over distances, making it ideal for construction sites and landscaping. Its ability to spread materials in hard-to-reach places such as slopes or confined areas significantly reduces the need for manual labor, increasing efficiency on the job site. Number 7. The New Holland F 550 is a versatile forage harvester designed for agricultural use. It is primarily used for chopping and collecting forage crops like corn or grass, which are later used for silage. The F550 is equipped with high-capacity cutting mechanisms and an efficient collection system, enabling fast and effective harvesting. Its durability and reliability make it a favorite among farmers who need a machine that can handle tough harvesting conditions with ease. Number 8. The Komatsu model. PC 5500 is a massive hydraulic excavator used in mining and heavy construction. With its large bucket and powerful hydraulic system, it can move huge amounts of earth and rock in one scoop. The PC 5500 is often used in open-pit mining operations for digging and material loading. Its robust design and advanced technology make it highly efficient in large-scale excavation tasks, reducing the time and manpower needed for major projects. Number 9. The loader model. A 9988 is a heavy-duty wheel loader designed for construction and material handling. It features a large bucket and strong lifting capacity, allowing it to move large volumes of materials like gravel, sand, and soil quickly. The machine's high maneuverability and stability make it suitable for various tasks, including loading trucks and clearing job sites. Its robust frame and reliable engine ensure long-lasting performance, even in the toughest conditions. Number 10. The Mangle SF300 is a modern combine harvester designed for efficient grain harvesting. It is equipped with advanced cutting and threshing systems that can handle various types of crops, including wheat, barley, and oats. The SF300's large grain tank and fast unloading system allow for continuous harvesting without frequent stops. Farmers appreciate its ease of operation and high productivity, making it an essential tool for large-scale agricultural operations. Number 11. The Komatsu Continuous Miner is a powerful machine used in underground mining operations. It is designed to cut and gather minerals such as coal from underground seams without blasting. The machine's rotating drum, fitted with sharp cutting teeth, carves through rock, while an integrated conveyor system moves the material to shuttle cars. Known for its efficiency, the Komatsu Continuous Miner helps improve productivity in mining operations while reducing the need for explosives, making it a safer and more environmentally friendly option. Number 12. The Cat D. 11 Dozer is a large, heavy-duty bulldozer used for earth-moving tasks in mining, construction, and land clearing. Its immense power allows it to push large amounts of material like soil, rocks, and debris, making it ideal for tough terrain. Equipped with advanced controls, operators can handle it with precision. Its robust design ensures durability in demanding conditions, while safety features enhance the operator's experience during prolonged use. Number 13. The AT-94 is a NASA-designed external fuel tank used to store liquid hydrogen and oxygen, critical for space shuttle launches. It plays a crucial role in fueling the shuttle's main engines during liftoff and descent. The lightweight, streamlined tank detaches once the fuel is spent, falling back to Earth where it is either recovered or disintegrates in the atmosphere. Its advanced design supports the shuttle's heavy fuel requirements while maintaining the efficiency needed for successful space missions. Number 14. The Lagoon Crawler is a highly specialized machine designed for use in soft, waterlogged areas such as lagoons and wetlands. Its lightweight frame and broad tracks allow it to move easily over marshy terrain without sinking. Often employed for dredging, environmental cleanup, or maintaining waterways, the Lagoon Crawler excels where conventional equipment would fail. Its capability to operate in difficult submerged conditions makes it invaluable in aquatic projects. Number 15. The Power Screen. 6203 horizontal sieve is a high-capacity screening machine used to separate materials based on size. It is typically used in the mining, quarrying, and recycling industries to screen gravel, sand, and other aggregates. With its triple-deck screening system, it can sort large volumes of material efficiently. The machine's horizontal design improves material flow, while its robust build ensures durability in harsh working environments, increasing productivity in material processing operations. Number 16. The Horsch Pronto 7DC is a precision seed drill designed for fast and accurate planting. Its efficient design allows it to sow seeds uniformly across large fields, ensuring even crop growth. The 7DC's flexibility in handling different soil types and seeds makes it a versatile choice for farmers. With a large hopper and advanced control systems, the machine maximizes productivity during planting season, helping farmers achieve better yields with minimal effort. Vertical bar number 17. The Simon S3. CMR is a root crop harvester designed for efficient and gentle extraction of vegetables like carrots and potatoes. It features advanced digging technology that lifts crops without causing damage, ensuring quality produce. The machine's compact size makes it suitable for smaller fields or precise operations. Farmers value the S3 CMR for its ability to streamline the harvesting process, improving both speed and crop protection. Number 18, the Cass 87. Rock Slinger is a specialized machine designed for spreading materials like gravel, sand, or soil over large areas with precision. Its conveyor system allows materials to be slung over long distances, reaching hard-to-access areas such as steep slopes or confined spaces. This machine is commonly used in construction and landscaping projects to save time and reduce manual labor. The Cass 87 improves job site efficiency, particularly when distributing materials over wide or challenging areas. Number 19. The Carrax D6 mini dump truck is a compact and agile machine used for transporting materials in confined areas. Despite its small size, it has a strong load capacity, making it perfect for construction sites, landscaping, and small-scale earth-moving tasks. Its tight turning radius and easy maneuverability allow it to navigate narrow spaces that larger dump trucks cannot access. The Carrax D6 provides a practical solution for material transport in areas with limited space. Number 20. The Speedrower Plus series is a high-performance windrower used in agriculture for cutting and arranging crops like alfalfa and grass into rows for drying. Its efficient design ensures quick and even cutting, while its powerful engine allows it to cover large fields rapidly. The machine is equipped with advanced control systems for precise operation, making it a favorite among farmers for haymaking. The Speedrower Plus increases efficiency in the field, leading to better crop management and faster harvest cycles.